Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create reveal text as you walk video editing using VN Video Editor. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my VN Video Editor on my mobile phone, and then I'm going to create new project. So I'm going to click on this plus icon and then select new project. And since we want to edit video, we can choose video based, and you can choose video you want to edit. I'm going to choose video from this album in my gallery. Okay, and then I'm going to add tags to this video, so we can click on the text menu, select text, and I'm going to add heading. Okay, and I'm just going to type in text reveal like this, and you can change the font and the color as well if you want, but I'm just going to leave it like that. And I'm going to place it right here, and we can make it align with our video. Okay, and after that, we're going to apply mask to the text. You can go to the mask option and then select the linear mask, and you're going to rotate it like this. And to reveal the text as this girl walks, we can use keyframe. Okay, we can apply keyframe to reveal the text as this girl walks. We can click on the keyframe to add keyframe at the beginning. But wait guys, I'm going to hide the text. Okay, and we're going to reveal it like this. Add keyframe, and then you can drag the mask like this and adjust the feather. Okay. Okay guys, and let's see what we have here, and you can keep adjusting until you're satisfied with how it looks. I'm going to cut the text. Okay, and this is the final result. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create reveal text as you walk video editing using VN Video Editor. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.